644 centimeters in feet? First of all, we need to know the value of 1 centimeter in feet. It's always 1 centimeter equals 0.03280839895 feet. Now we have to multiply 0.03280839895 by 644. Therefore, 644 centimeters times 0.03280839895 feet equals 21.1286089238 feet. So, in other words, 644 centimeters equals 21.1286089238 feet. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.